Tap the spacer heads with a rubber mallet to snap off the tile leveling clips and remove the wedges carefully after the thinset has cured. Wait at least 24 hours, and preferably 48 hours, after setting the tiles to ensure the thinset has fully developed strength before attempting removal. Begin by using a rubber mallet to strike the exposed tops of the clips in a controlled, flat blow aligned with the tile surface to break the clip stem where it meets the substrate without lifting the tiles. For wedges that remain snug, grasp with needle nose pliers and pull straight up while supporting the adjacent tiles with your free hand to avoid prying forces that can crack grout edges. If wedges are embedded or the wedge material is brittle, use a thin putty knife slid under the wedge to lever it gently while tapping the knife handle with the mallet for extra persuasion. Collect reusable wedges, clean off thinset residue with a damp rag before storage, and inspect clips for deformation so you can replace any worn pieces on future jobs. If a clip does not break cleanly and leaves a stem, score the stem flush with a utility knife and remove any remaining nub with a chisel held nearly parallel to the tile to avoid chipping. Common problems include snapping off the stem too high and leaving a visible nub that interferes with grout lines, so score and trim flush, then scrape gently to blend the surface. Another issue is using excessive sideways force that pops tiles loose, so always pull wedges straight up and support tiles with your hand to apply counterforce. A third concern is brittle plastic that shatters and leaves fragments in joints, so remove fragments with a narrow vacuum nozzle and a stiff nylon brush before grouting to ensure proper joint fill. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate trusted local contractors for tile work and other remodels, and it also helps contractors find steady project leads and connect with clients. We provide a discussion community where users share tips, ask questions, and post real job experiences, so we all learn better practices together.